Quindarius Zachary, aka Little D from Cleveland, was allegedly arrested on Friday as a material witness in order for the state to secure his testimony in the Young Thug trial. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Rochelle, and I'm an attorney. Even though I'm an attorney, I'm not your attorney, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. It is not legal advice. On Friday, records from the Fulton County Police Department revealed that Quindarius Zachary, aka Little D, was arrested, and the charge listed was an order for arrest of a material witness. So the question is, what is the legal authority that allows a prosecutor to have an arrest warrant entered to secure the testimony of a witness? So the law governing this is OCGA /24-13-94, and we're going to look specifically at subsection A. Now, under this statute, it requires that, number one, there be a subpoena has been issued for the testimony of a witness in either a criminal proceeding or a grand jury investigation. Now, the prosecutors must lay out the number of days that they believe the witness might testify, and also a recommendation that the witness be taken into immediate custody and delivered to an officer of the state to ensure that they will attend the trial or proceeding. Now, this certificate or application is then presented to a judge of a court of record in the county in which the witness is found. So, in this particular case, we already understood that Little D was a part of the witness list for the state, and that the state anticipated that he would testify this week in the Young Thug trial. Now, we haven't been able to review the document filed by the court in order to by the state in order to secure this arrest warrant, but we can surmise that they have some questions about whether or not Mr. Zachary would appear as subpoenaed to testify in this hearing. Now, we've later learned that Zachary has a medical condition and he's been receiving ongoing treatment for this condition over the past few months. Now, today, his attorney appeared in court on his behalf to address the arrest for material witness and his client being detained at the So today, his attorney appeared in court to discuss his client's arrest as a material witness and to discuss his ongoing incarceration in light of his medical condition.
Are you asking to approach without the defense?
No, they can say, that's fine. I just want to put on the record. I'm representing Mr. Zachary, family pretending. I understand he was picked up on material witness. I would ask the court to release him. He's got sickle cell bad. When he was picked up, he was just exited the hospital. They had to do 2 blood replacements, transfusions. He's in a hospital, or he's in Brady right now. That Brady, he's in Fulton County Jail. He's got pneumonia. He will not live, Judge. I talked to the family. In the last 4 months, he's been 10 out of the hospital 10 times. He's extremely sick. He will not survive in Fulton County. I would ask that he be released, and I'm going to be in touch with him. He will come to court when you ask him to come to court.
Go ahead.
If not, he won't live.
All right. So the information I got this morning, and y'all, this was actually what I wanted to discuss on the record. Had we at the bench conference, had we gotten started at 8:45, like I asked for us to get started. So anyway, no, this has nothing to do with that. But the information that I got this morning from the sheriff's office was that he is in Grady.
Your Honor.
So I don't know how recent your information is.
I talked to family 2 a.m.
Well, we've spoken with the sheriff has informed us since that time. And that was what I wanted to bring to the court's attention.
Okay.
Now you'll see in the video, as we saw in the video, his attorney states on the record that his client has sickle cell, that his client has received blood transfusions as a result of his condition, that he's currently suffering from pneumonia and requires additional medical treatment. It is attorney's opinion that if his client were to remain incarcerated, instead of receiving the medical treatment that he needs, he would not survive. And so we further learn from Ms. Love that the sheriffs reported Mr. Zachary has been transported back to Grady Hospital as of early the morning of September the 16th to receive additional medical treatment. So Mr. Zachary's attorney advised Ms. Love and the court that he would be willing to work with them to secure Mr. Zachary's attendance in court in the future once his condition improves. Now, the question is, why does the prosecution need Mr. Zachary's testimony, and what do we anticipate Mr. Zachary may testify to at trial? So, Mr. Zachary is not listed as a defendant in the YSL indictment. His connection to the case at this point, we know two things. First, we know that even though he was not indicted in the indictment that's at issue in this case, he is alleged to have participated in the April 28, 2015 drive-by shooting, which alongside Antonio Sledge and Demikion Garlington. Now, it's unclear what role Mr. Zachary played in this alleged drive-by shooting, but we do know that he is connected to this event, and his connection to this event is outlined in the indictment. Now, Zachary's other connection to this case is that he is alleged to have spoken to members of the Atlanta Police Department in a recorded conversation where he is being asked questions surrounding events that are alleged in this indictment and connected to YSL. So let's take a clip. This is a clip of the alleged video involving Mr. Zachary and members of the Atlanta Police Department.
So how did Woody end up with that gun that day? We said Boot Mama House, Big Boot Mama House. And we like 8 folk inches, that's right. Okay. Then when they came back, they ain't even tell us what they did. What kind of car were they? They were in what? It was in that white Charger. Woody Charger? Okay. And then the boy, Mushu, who he did with Lucci, Mushu, yeah. He called Boo, like, when Woody got back, he called Boo, like, Boo, they got in. Boo, like, what? Like, somebody just shot up Lucci Mama house, and Mama got shot. And Boo, like, don't tell me how they did that. Cause they come back and they say that. Don't tell me how they did that. Then that when Woody got scared again, cause Mushu, like, got 10,000 and who else did it? Who had the Monto gun? Woody. So they actually came back and said they did it, or y'all just assumed it? No, they said they did it. He finally said it when Woody, like I told you, Woody got scared when they said he got 10,000. Like, man, we just shot up Lucci Mama house. So because Lucci was close with Nut, they just... Lucci was hanging with Kel. Right. That's what he's all about. Lucci and Kel. Like, let them boys get killed. I don't know what made them do that. Did you know Nut? Yeah.
So at this time, that's all we know about Zachary's current condition and what testimony the prosecution may seek for him to offer at trial once his condition has improved and he's able to actually sit on the stand. We will continue to monitor this issue. Oh, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have other cases that you want me to talk about, or if there are other topics that you want me to talk about, please list them down below in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.